How to change the overall speed of the video you are editing with VN Video Editor app. If you're working with just one video clip, you can go ahead and find the speed tool and tap on it. If there is multiple video clips within the timeline area, go ahead and tap on it first so that you are letting the editor know that that's the video that you want to adjust the speed for. Once you select the video clip, you can now go to speed. It will appear here, and if it's just the overall speed of the video you want to change, go to regular, and you can make it go faster by making the adjustments going to the right, or make it slower going to the left. And you can see the duration does change based on how you change it. So if you make it go faster, you will see that the video is shorter and also plays a lot faster like this here, okay? And that's it for this guide here. Like and sub. You can always use the undo option to undo any edits that you might have done before saving.